Welcome back to Britology. Imagine a luxury motorhome. So extraordinary that it feels less like a vehicle and more like a five-star private mansion traveling effortlessly across the world's most beautiful highways. Today we're exploring the White Diamond Prestige Cruiser, a breathtaking creation designed for billionaires who refuse to compromise on comfort, privacy, or elegance. This isn't simply transportation. It's an unforgettable road experience, where every mile feels like a first-class vacation. The White Diamond Prestige Cruiser immediately captures attention with its futuristic architecture and flawless pearl white exterior. Every surface has been sculpted to perfection, creating a clean, elegant appearance that reflects sophistication from every angle. Massive panoramic windows stretch across the sides, allowing natural light to flood the interior while offering uninterrupted views of mountains, oceans, forests, and city skylines. Polished chrome accents and premium LED lighting complete the stunning exterior, making the cruiser look just as impressive during the night as it does in broad daylight. Stepping inside reveals a world that rivals the finest luxury penthouses. Rich marble flooring, handcrafted wood panels, soft leather furniture, and elegant ambient lighting combine to create a warm yet ultra-modern atmosphere. Every material has been selected with precision, ensuring beauty, durability, and comfort. The spacious open-plan layout makes it easy to relax, entertain guests, or simply enjoy peaceful moments while traveling. The main living area features oversized designer sofas, custom coffee tables, and a panoramic entertainment wall with an enormous, ultra-high-definition display. Hidden surround sound speakers create an immersive cinema experience, while voice-controlled technology allows passengers to adjust lighting, music, temperature, and entertainment with simple commands. Whether watching movies, hosting business meetings, or relaxing after a long journey, every moment feels effortless. The kitchen is a masterpiece of modern luxury. Premium marble countertops, smart storage systems, induction cooking surfaces, luxury appliances, and integrated refrigeration ensure that every meal can be prepared with ease. High-end coffee machines, wine storage, and elegant dining arrangements transform ordinary meals into unforgettable dining experiences. Every cabinet opens smoothly with soft close technology, while hidden compartments maximize both functionality and style. The master bedroom offers the comfort of a world-class luxury hotel suite. A king-size bed wrapped in premium linen sits beneath a beautifully illuminated ceiling, creating a peaceful retreat after long days on the road. Floor-to-ceiling windows allow travelers to wake up to breathtaking scenery every morning. Spacious wardrobes, elegant dressing areas, and personalized lighting create an environment that perfectly balances luxury and practicality. The attached bathroom continues this exceptional standard. Marble walls, rainfall showers, heated flooring, designer fixtures, and premium toiletries create a true spa-like atmosphere. Large illuminated mirrors, modern vanities, and carefully crafted details ensure every part of the bathroom feels elegant and relaxing. Even while traveling thousands of miles, owners never have to sacrifice the comfort of a luxury home. Technology is one of the White Diamond Prestige Cruiser's greatest strengths. Advanced artificial intelligence manages climate control, lighting, entertainment, and energy efficiency automatically. Large touchscreen control panels throughout the vehicle allow every feature to be customized instantly. High-speed satellite internet keeps passengers connected almost anywhere in the world, making remote work, video conferencing, and online entertainment seamless throughout every journey. Safety has received equal attention during the design process. Multiple driving assistance systems, intelligent cruise control, lane monitoring, collision avoidance technology, 360-degree cameras, and advanced night vision work together to provide maximum protection. The reinforced body structure and premium suspension system deliver exceptional stability and confidence, even on challenging roads. The driving experience itself is remarkably smooth. A powerful yet efficient engine delivers effortless acceleration while advanced air suspension absorbs bumps with incredible precision. Inside the cabin, soundproof insulation eliminates road noise, creating an environment of complete peace and quiet. Whether traveling across European countryside, American highways, or coastal roads, every journey feels refined and relaxing. One of the most remarkable features is the expandable living space. At the touch of a button, multiple slide-out sections extend outward, significantly increasing the interior area. Suddenly, the already spacious motorhome transforms into a luxurious residence with generous living, dining, and sleeping spaces. This innovative engineering allows owners to enjoy maximum comfort without sacrificing mobility. Outdoor luxury is equally impressive. Retractable terraces, automated awnings, premium outdoor furniture, and elegant lighting create a private outdoor lounge wherever the vehicle is parked. Families can enjoy peaceful breakfasts overlooking lakes, sunset dinners beside the ocean, or evening gatherings beneath the stars, all while surrounded by the comfort of their own mobile luxury estate. The rooftop entertainment area adds another unforgettable dimension. Comfortable seating, panoramic viewing spaces, and sophisticated lighting create the perfect place for relaxation. Imagine enjoying morning coffee above the clouds in the mountains or watching city skylines sparkle at night from your own private rooftop lounge. Few travel experiences can compare to such exclusive moments. Energy independence makes the white Diamond Prestige Cruiser suitable for extended adventures. High-capacity lithium batteries, advanced solar panels, intelligent power management systems, and large freshwater storage allow travelers to remain completely self-sufficient for days without relying on external facilities. Luxury and sustainability work together beautifully in this remarkable design. Storage has also been engineered intelligently. Hidden compartments, spacious luggage bays, secure safes, and dedicated spaces for recreational equipment ensure that everything has its place. Whether carrying luxury wardrobes, business equipment, bicycles, or adventure gear, owners never need to compromise on space or organization. Privacy remains a top priority throughout the entire vehicle. Smart privacy glass instantly changes from transparent to opaque with a single touch, while advanced security systems, biometric access, encrypted surveillance cameras, and remote monitoring provide complete peace of mind. Every journey remains secure, private, and exclusive. The White Diamond Prestige Cruiser is perfect for successful entrepreneurs, celebrities, executives, luxury travelers, and families seeking an extraordinary lifestyle. It eliminates the limitations of traditional travel by combining transportation, accommodation, entertainment, and relaxation into one seamless experience. Every destination becomes more enjoyable because the journey itself is just as spectacular. More than simply a motorhome, the White Diamond Prestige Cruiser represents freedom without compromise. It offers the rare opportunity to explore the world while carrying the comfort, elegance, and prestige of a billionaire lifestyle everywhere you go. Every sunrise, every scenic highway, and every unforgettable destination becomes part of an extraordinary adventure defined by luxury, innovation, and timeless design. If you enjoyed discovering the White Diamond Prestige Cruiser and want to explore more of the world's most luxurious vehicles, futuristic homes, incredible yachts, and billionaire lifestyle experiences, make sure to like this video, subscribe to Britology, and turn on notifications so you never miss our next luxury adventure. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.